Without wasting your time, I tell you about our topic. That what steps we should follow to learn and master any computer language. Learn any computer language is not much easy, but follow these steps. These will help you for learning any computer language. First of all, learn its basics. And before learning higher language like Java, Python, you should start with simple and basic language, which is C language. Number 1, learn character set of C language, which comprises of A to Z letters, special characters, and numbers. These are like letters in alphabet. Number 2, learn keywords, reserve words, and constants. These are like words in any language which we speak. Subscribe my channel, any watch till end. Number 3, write instructions using character set and keywords, reserve words, and constants by following proper syntax. Here, term syntax mean the rule you should follow to write instructions. It's like grammatical rule in our English language. After this, you can write your desired program, because program is collection of instruction. And keep connected with my channel, subscribe for more, and share this with your friends.